Hey guys, it's Donyale and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another hair tutorial. These seem to be my favorite and your guys' favorite as well. So this is going to be a really quick spring twist tutorial to achieve this style here. I have it pulled up in a ponytail, but at the end of the video you'll see it once I finish. This was super quick and easy. Well, it is super quick and easy. I have done this style in like 2.5 hours. This one took a few days just because it was Christmas Eve, yada yada yada, like family, I didn't have time. But this style can be achieved in under 3 hours for sure. I used the rubber band method and I was very just kind of free form with my parting. I wasn't very particular, as you'll see in the video. And I used the Outre Twisted Up Expression Springy Afro Twist hair. I always use this hair. I've used this in a previous tutorial, which I'll also link below. This hair will be linked below, so you can check that out. But we're not gonna ramble. I'm not gonna waste your time. We're just gonna jump right into the tutorial. So thanks for watching. So in this clip, I just wanted to show you how freeform I was with my parting. I'm barely looking. I don't have a mirror or anything. I'm not trying to perfect these parts. I just wanted it to look, you know, as natural as possible. So I'm just using a rat tail comb to, you know, create some parting, and then I am rubber banding each section. This is the rubber band method. So not looking, it's not a big deal. Most of the twists will cover up this parting anyway. So this is just to show you that you don't have to, you know, be super anal about your parting. So I have majority of my head done. So we're just gonna finish it. I have this much hair left, which is like one bundle. Like the hair comes in, there's like 3 bundles in each pack. So I've been using like one, you can see how it comes. I've been using like one whole little section for most of them, but some of my parts are a little smaller, so I was able to like split this bundle into 2. Take this hair, get up a little closer so you can see. I'm taking it, I'm using the whole piece, and that's why I have a little length to my twist, because I'm not cutting the hair. So I'm going to take the whole piece, my crochet hook. Take my crochet hook. This is basic crocheting. Like I said, I always do the rubber band method. You're gonna go underneath your ponytail with the hook open. You're gonna hook your hair in, close the hook, pull it through, take your hook out, pull one end all the way through. Come on, girl. Okay. And then take it and try to even it out. Split your real hair. And I do use a little conditioner to add to my hair, because my hair is stretched and dry at this point. So I feel like the conditioner just gets it back to the texture to match this hair. Split this ponytail in 2, split my ponytail in 2, and twist while twisting. Okay, so I'm going to show you. So you're going to twist and twist, twist and twist, twist and twist, all the way down. And this gives the illusion of, like, you know, your own hair, like you just did this bomb mini twist, kind of not mini twist style, and that, you know, you're gonna take it down and have this really cute twist out moment, but or not. Like, this kind of looks just like kinky twists or spring twists. So I just like them chunkier. I feel like it looks more natural and more like bohemian. Like I am gonna try to keep this, I am gonna try to maintain it longer. The last time I did it, I wasn't tying my head up, child. It was a mess. It was a frizzy mess in like a week. So I am going to make sure I'm keeping my scalp together and that I'm tying this up at night. So the ends, I just twirl around my finger like so, and boom, there we have a twist. One more time for the people in the back. I am gonna split this up. I don't think I need, and you snatch it fast so that you prevent, you know, frizz. Twist it in the middle so you can get it under your hook easily. Put that hook through your ponytail. I ain't did a hair tutorial like this in so long, and it's just, it feels so good. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more. I mean, I'm gonna give you more anyway. Because I miss this. Okay, so more conditioner. This is Eden Body Works Curl Hydration Conditioner. You can use any conditioner, honestly. I think I got that in a curl box. Hey, my leak girl. What up? Alright, so split my ponytail amongst the hair and just twist while twisting. There are plenty of videos that probably go more in depth about twisting while twisting, but it just kind of locks the hair in place. If you were to only twist, the hair would unravel. So if you twist while twisting, your twist will stay in place and won't unravel. We're back. We're beat. We're cute. Okay, so my twists are done. They are chunky. Yeah, I mean, they're done. Slick my edges. I'll show you the back. As I said before, like, my parts are not perfect. I didn't even look half the time when I was parting or when I was twisting, like I was watching YouTube and doing it. So that is the whole goal of this style, is to like not be perfect and be just kind of boho cute. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this style. It will probably last me, like I said, I'm gonna try to take care of it, not fall asleep without my scarf on. So I'm hoping it'll last me 2 to 3 weeks. Fingers crossed. Yeah, these are my spring twist, kinky twist, I don't know, just twist. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.